These vegan zucchini brownies will blow your mind. Easy, no weird ingredients. But hold on, before you scroll away, thinking, zucchini and brownies? Gross. Trust me, these are next level delicious. They're moist, they're rich, they're everything you want in a brownie, and the best part? They're totally vegan. Plus, this recipe is so easy, even baking newbies can whip them up. No crazy ingredients, just simple pantry staples you probably already have. Let's get baking. Here's what you'll need. 1 1/4 cups granulated sugar. 1/3 cup neutral oil, grapeseed, organic canola, or vegetable oil. 2 cups finely shredded zucchini, packed, not drained. Yes, really. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup cocoa powder, unsweetened. 2 tablespoons Dutch processed cocoa powder, for extra fudgy goodness. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, helps keep things moist. 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 3/4 teaspoon kosher salt. 1 cup vegan chocolate chips, your favorite kind. Alright, baking time. First things first. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. We want these brownies to be nice and warm. Now, grab a big mixing bowl and toss in your sugar, oil, zucchini. Don't worry, you can't even taste it. And vanilla extract. Whisk that all together until it's nice and smooth. Next comes the dry ingredients. Sift in the cocoa powders, cornstarch, flour, baking soda, and salt. Don't overmix though, we just want everything incorporated. A few lumps are okay. Finally, the best part, chocolate chips. Fold in that whole cup of vegan chocolate chips. Now, grab a baking pan and grease it up real good. We don't want any sticky brownies. Pour that beautiful batter into your pan and spread it out evenly. Pop it in that preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Patience is key, friends. Alright, time to check for doneness. Insert a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, these bad boys are good to go. Guess what? No trace of zucchini, magic. Just pure, delicious, fudgy vegan heaven. Let them cool for a bit. Trust me, it's worth the wait. And then slice them up and dig in. These vegan zucchini brownies are the perfect healthy-ish treat you can feel good about indulging in. Plus, they're sneaky good for you, thanks to all that hidden zucchini. Be sure to like and subscribe for more delicious and easy vegan recipes. And if you try these brownies, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for baking with me.